This is not Guatemala. It's not Curacao. This is United States of Bumbleclot, Miami.
National flower?
Yeah, what is Jamaica's national flower?
Dumpling.
Guaguan family, Guaguan. Yeah, man, you know it's Jamus Will, the infamous Jamus Will, Musrich Jamus. Yeah, man. I'm here to tell you on today's episode, we have some good news and some not so good news, okay? So on today's episode, let's kick it off. All right, let's just go right into it. So kicking it off with the not so good news, dancehall superstar Danny English passed away at the age of 54 after a long battle with diabetes. The superstar DJ, known for his hit song Meet Me at the Party, featuring Eggnog, has passed on Thursday evening at the Kingston Public Hospital. A very touching moment for dancehall because his contribution to the music, he has hits, a slew of hits, including Bun, and the list goes on. Danny English was only 54 after passing away from the illness diabetes. So as we move along, we see where Eggnog, who was featured on the hit single Meet Me at the Party with Danny English, did a tribute to the artist in a musical fashion. So let's check it out.
Eggnog pays tribute to Danny English.
Say goodbye to what we have. Some good times and some laughter that we have been through. Then I thought we'll get to see tomorrow. Tomorrow's gone away, and it's so hard to say goodbye to my friend Danny English.
Yes, so that's Eggnog, you know, giving a musical tribute to the superstar DJ, Danny English, who has passed away. I must once say again, rest in peace, Danny English. You know, good soul, you know. Gave this contribution. So, all right, here we have one of Danny English's most recent interview with Teach Them. So, you know, we just using this piece of the interview just for informational purposes only. So, Teach Them, give you a blaze in. All right, so this is Danny English. Before he passed away, he had sat down with Teach Them. Here we go.
At the party, you can bring a shorty, but here now, it's too Eggnog I sing it. Me have to tell him, say, don't say party, say party.
Yeah.
Arty, shorty. Me no want it sound average.
Yes, family, so that was Danny English on one of his most recent interviews before he passed away. All right, family, so let's continue with the program as we move along. So we see where the viral king, Foota hype, link up with a king in his own rights. None other than the man who make trouble, the man who move in silence, Busy Signal. So we see where Foota hype linked up with Busy Signal in Miami. When you remember, it was like a couple days ago, he linked up with Beanie Man. I love where I go on, you know, I realize all of the artists, them I get back them traveling documents to go to the United States. So with that said, family, make we check out Foota hype and Busy Signal a whole of vibes.
Kill hungry, the man kill hungry, the man. No further.
One world for Bumbleclot must have one straight nation and one Foota hype.
Voila.
From in the beginning.
This is not Guatemala is not Curacao. This is United States of Bumbleclot, Miami. Yeah. And I'm a brother birthday.
Sweet.
I'm from the rich in that age.
Yeah.
I said, well, look. All me have gray hair, them and they know name, so. You hear that? Yeah. So, you know, I'm telling you still. But we just buy the house there. So, come on, man. Look good. Staircase them alone at 1.5. A gold mixed with mahogany and look by the chandelier there. And guess what? Him no live here. So walk out the blood clot key na me. Go suck on the mama.
Yes, family. So, you know, that's the viral king at it again, you know, me I say. Full of character, is me I say. So, yes, Foota hype linked up with Busy Signal. If you don't know who Busy Signal is, then you must be living under a rock, you know me I say. All right, it is said Vibes Cartel bought another team member a luxury car. I don't know how true this is, you know what I'm saying? This is just something I grabbed off social media. So it is said that a member of Cartel team was granted a Benz, a brand new Benz. So, you know, Sean Stam got the BMW, Matsus got a Benz, and this is one of the newest members that actually also got a Benz. So you can see where Cartel is not keeping the wealth to himself, but he's also, you know, showing up for the people that has been there for him on his journey in this music industry and also during the process of his incarceration. So we just want to big up the Cartel and just go and take care of the people and take care of you in your tough times. You see me I say, salute to the Gaza General. You see me I say, fully. So, a young lady was asked a question, and this is quite funny. She was, a matter of fact, let the video speak for itself.
National flower.
Yeah, what is Jamaica's national flower?
Dumpling.
Yeah. You know what? All right. What is Jamaica national flower? Dumpling. Anyway, I think this is a great segue to my next video. So let's kick it off.
This is food for you.
So all that for you, my own?
Yeah, you buy the flour and you say you want 4 dumpling, you get 4 dumpling. Me cook so me take 3 dumpling, my you. See there? So me get 3 and you get 4, my you. Talk to you, my you. You get 4 and me get 3. You get more than me, 4 or 3 you shall know for.
4 enough for
You don't take enough of food, man. Well, you gonna want to know, so let me and me.
So family, there it go. Now you know why. Dumpling is the national flower of Jamaica. All right, family, let's see what's up next. So, as we close out today's show, we see where Reggaeology Lloyd Laing teamed up with Khago. So there's a surprise, because Lloyd Laing is letting us know that he has the biggest song for Khago this year. And I think some shades are showing us, so let us just close out today's show with Reggaeology himself, Mr. Lloyd Laing.
Yo, world and world, you know. We have to know what going right about now, you know. See it? Watch it. Because every day them attack and attack, so them a Billboard and Grammy Kid and Ray and who a Grammy Billboard. Come here. Watch out. Look who link right now. Me have the man biggest tune for you here. Here?
Mother Road, God.
Mother Road, God, I road here.
Double Billboard.
Khago, Global Beat Studios, Island Rock. One blood clot world, you know.
All right, family, there we go. This is the J Mus Will Show, and I am J Mus. And until next time, just go and big up on yourself. Go on!